Picture yourself on a nice cool fall evening in a nice warm bubble bath. And now picture yourself with a candle flickering with some glitter on a soap dish right next to you. Because today that's what I'm going to teach you how to make. I'm going to teach you how to recycle this Jaffa container into a soap dish and a candle holder. And today the reason I chose this project is because I'm involved with a collab that I was invited to, and I'm so excited. It's my first collab. So the collab that I was invited to is from Glam Elegant Living Society, and it's hosted by Really Good Living and also Petalisbless and about a handful of other YouTubers that are going to be listed below this video. Please check out their videos. They're wonderful people who bring so much beauty into this world by the things they create. So without any delay, I'm going to start showing you how to create your own beautiful item that you can enjoy as you're relaxing. Okay, so to begin, what I have done is I've started with this empty Jaffa container, cleaned it up. Then I applied Mod Podge, and I took sand and gold glitter and mixed them in this container here, and then I painted the Mod Podge on here, sprinkled it on here, and let it dry, and I did that twice. And I did this because I wanted it to match, and if you've watched any of my other videos, some of the last few videos I've done, I've created soap dispensers with this look to them. So I wanted it to match since it's going in the same bathroom that I have. So if you would like to check out these videos and you haven't seen them yet, they'll be below this video. You can click on the link and check those out because they will show you how to put the sand and everything on in those videos. But for the sake of time, I didn't repeat that process in this video. I just had it done already. Okay, so to move right along, also what I've done is I've applied this washi tape that I got from Michael's, this one I mean, and I put it around the rim here. And now what I'm about to do is apply these stick-on jewels that I got from Michael's, and I'm going to apply that around the rim here at the bottom and the top, and also as well down at the bottom of the container here. Now, some of you who follow me, which thank you so much for subscribing, following, and liking my channel. I really appreciate your support. But you may be wondering, I said that my next video was going to be about a pizza box and turning it into a painting of Italy. I'm still working on that, but I did this first because of the collab I was invited to. I wanted to hurry up and get this video out since it has to do with glam. And the other thing I'm making is not really a glam item. So as you can see, I've applied the one line here, and now I'm going to repeat that and go around the top here and also around the bottom of the container. So as you can see, I've now applied the jewels around the top and the bottom. And now the next step is I'm going to take this decal thing that I got from Michael's, and these are self-adhesive, but they don't stick well against the sand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue this on the center here, as you see, and then I'm going to take this Swarovski crystal, also I got from Michael's, and I'm going to glue it right in the center here. So I'm going to do that. And okay, so as you can see, I've applied the decal and the jewel in the center of this. And now the candle holder is already completed, and you can take and put one of these, put it right inside. I've already lit it, and there you have your beautiful candle holder part. And now we're going to move on to the part where I'm going to create this matching soap holder. And so to do that, to begin, I'm going to apply this washi tape that I got from Michael's. And as you see, what's nice about the lid of this container is that it already has a gold trim on here that's built in. So what I'm going to do is enhance the beauty of that by adding this below it and also down here. Okay, so now I've applied the washi tape on, and I realized that I never even introduced myself. I apologize. If you've never been to my channel before, my name is Kara Sills, and this channel is called Crafty Recycler. I'm sorry for that. I'm also sorry for the background noise. My neighbor decided to leaf blow while I'm doing this video, and I have nowhere else to do it. So I apologize for that if you can hear that. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to apply these jewels across the bottom here and glam it up a little more. You can see I've applied the gemstones on here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some more decal to match the other items here. And I've already applied the gem onto this one. And I'm going to glue this in the center. And I'm also going to put some side ones on around it. And also, I have this these stick-on jewels from eFavorMart that I got that I've cut out a piece of, and I'm going to also enhance it with that as well. Okay, so I've applied the jewels and the stick-on decal, and now I'm going to apply some little legs to make it look like it's standing, and also this way I feel a little protected better from the water that it'll be sitting on, you know, the bathtub. And also I should mention that when you're done with these, you always want to go back and use Mod Podge to seal it, and use several coats of it and let it dry in between, and that'll help protect it from the water. I choose to use the spray a lot for the sand projects because it just makes them sparkle better than the paint on, but you can use either one. And so what I'm going to do now is, for the little legs, what I've done, I don't know if you've ever seen these essential oils, but this is doTERRA company. And I've taken these little, well, the bottles were empty, and I took out these little plastic things that they have in here. And I've created legs for my soap container. And what I did was I painted them gold like this, after cleaning them, of course. And then I've applied some gold. My dog got a hold of this, so it's a bit mangled, unfortunately. But this is more washi tape. Love the washi tape. Okay, so what I've done is I've applied it around here, and then I've taken more jewels and applied them along here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin to apply the legs to the bottom of this so that it is standing on 4 little legs. Okay, so now one more thing we forgot to add. Put the bar of soap on there, and we're all set to have our relaxing bath and with our candle and our soap holder. Okay, so I hope that you really enjoyed today's project, and I hope that you will try to create it. If you have any comments you'd like to leave below, I'd sure appreciate that. Also, if you could share the video on your social media sites, that would be wonderful also. And if you want to see my upcoming videos, you could hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, and it will alert you to that. And don't forget to check out the links below this video to the other YouTubers involved with this collab. And also, if you want to see the other video where I created the matching items here that you see. So thank you so much again, and have a wonderful day.